Right, good morning, welcome back to the channel once again. Today we have a DSi XL. Now this was picked up from a contact of mine. It wouldn't turn on or charge, so I've swapped the battery round and it charges fine. Pop a cartridge in, it reads a cartridge fine, the buttons are working. Let's check the camera. So, yep, that one's working. And that one's working. So, that's lovely. But what we have is a very scratched up and scuffed touchscreen. So this is going to be a simple, quick video. Famous last words, where all we're going to do is replace the touchscreen on this DSi XL. As you can see, there's still screws and bits and pieces for various 3DSs laying about because I'm still messing with those. I'm going to get those finished up today, I think, because I've just had enough of seeing them. It's nice on the XL that all the screws are Phillips heads. Well, I'm not sure about the tiny one in the cartridge slot, but we'll find out in a sec. But I'm pretty sure they are all, yep, Phillips screws. So that's a nice change. Pop this open, take off the L and R buttons. Unlike the normal DSi, these are separate. On the DSi, they're built into one cable, so if one goes, you have to replace the whole thing, rather than this one, you can just replace one or the other. But they really did just make the DSi XL. Like, it is literally just a bigger version. The board's the same shape, the same bit on the side. These are all in the same places. They really just enlarged it. When you go from the 3DS to the 3DS XL, there's significant differences inside in the size and shape of the boards and things, but no, with this they just went stretch. Right. Don't want to damage the actual LCD because I don't think I have a spare. I do fortunately have a brand new touchscreen that was sat in the spares box. I've ordered some more, but there was one in there, else we would have just waited for them to arrive. So pop this out. get this behemoth off. Pop this just on here for a sec whilst I oh, there's two of them. Excellent. Well, in which case, I'll put that one back in the bag. Huh. I didn't know I had two. Nice. Just going to flip this board over. Now that's got some sticky on there, so I will remove the sticky from this entirely. I wasn't sure if it came pre-fitted, but it does, so that's handy. Neatly tuck that inside. And drop that on top, and we should be good to go. So that can come off. That can go in there next. And then we'll get the board back in once I've realigned these cables. Right, get them back in there. Yep. Right, apart from putting these screws back in, that should be good to go. Should be. I know it's not the world's most exciting video today, but it's work that needs doing, and it's not a normal DS light for a change. All of those epoxy 3DSs. So that's looking dead. Brilliant. I've done a tip-top bang-up job of that. It doesn't work anymore. Oh, superb. No. Does it charge? No. I imagine I've not plugged that cable in properly. Useless. Absolutely useless. Well, there you go. I just hadn't plugged it in properly. Always do your due diligence, people. Now, before we put any more screws in, let's make sure it works. Excellent. Screws in again time. If I don't lose them. Still turns on. Get the little rubber feet back in. Touch screen. 1, 2, 3. And there we go. Lovely. Well, that's all sorted. I'm going to get that reset and cleaned up and ready for sale. Thanks for watching. Catch you in a bit. Bye.